Feeding the Venus. If you look closely, you could see some holes here. They put a screen on this one. I'm going to test the ohm reading. Just because I was wondering myself, there was no video showing that. Both are the same. I'm gonna blow it out. That's it, just let it dry before installing. I put a white mark on this one. So this is the intake side, but I'm going to put this back on the exhaust side. So to reinstall, it's just the same way that it came out. Just be careful not to get any dirt. You just wiggle it around. There's a harness right here that is blocking you. If you look down inside, you'd actually see it. Yeah, you can see that silver thing down there. see when I twist it. You see? That's the exhaust side. Right in. So that's the front of the engine. I just moved the cover. I took these brackets out so I can move the hose around. Yeah. Just 2 clips. You press these in. This is the exhaust side, and this is the intake side. Make sure these insulator is in properly. Start up after the Venus cleaning. I don't know if the cleaning made a difference, but I'll have to double check, see if the codes come back. Maybe it's me, it sounds like it's better. I didn't have no performance issue, but the startup, the cold startup sounds much better. Very quiet. Before you would hear the Venus rattling actually. No, I'm not hearing that. Alright guys. Good luck. Subscribe to see new videos.